All right, I kind of missed that cue, but today I have something really special to show you. Um, my Bash Toolkit. Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. So let's get into it. And just one second here. I'm probably not going to have a lot of. Oh, it's up here. Right. Okay. So, I'm probably not gonna have a lot of display of the chats because I have something really special today. So, anyway, very good. So, know my Bash toolkit. So, what is it? Well, you remember I was working on my Tmux configuration and just my overall workflow and trying to get things done. Well, I just, probably a little bit of my ADHD or whatever, ADD. I just decided just to rewrite some configs for file navigation and that sort of thing. And so here's what I got. And I gotta say, it is pretty freaking awesome. Okay. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so now you see that I'm on my main page. Just a second here. Right. All right. All right. So here is basically the bash scripts. So basically how you'll probably use this. I'll probably write a bash script later, maybe even later today. So that would just basically like you could do something. Whoops, you could do something like sudo copy paste r. And so like say bash string reserve local bin, and that way you have it system wide. And then you could do something like I did. Whoops. Oh, sorry. You can do something that like I did. I'm sorry. I'm having one of those emergencies here. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, so you can do something like I did. So, you do something like this is part of that script. Actually, this is one of the scripts that I think this is actually really cool. I think you guys are really gonna like this. But basically, if you make it system wide like I showed you, then you can do something kind of cool. You can actually use these aliases to call them up. So for example, I could do something like so if sm bash history, what I can do is I can do bh. Whoops, sorry. If I can type. All right, so let's see here. I did one just recently. So like say I wanted to do this one right here, 35. This is just my bash history. This is my bash history with no repeats. So now I'm in my tmux configuration, right? And so now if I come over here, I'm back in my navigation. It's pretty quick. So really, like, you have to understand like how cool this is. So now if I wanted to do something like let's see here, if I could mm, okay, good. So I could all right, so let's say 67. Now basically separate it with a comma. And let's do 58, right? So now I have three commands, right? You can see what happened here. So now I can come over here and I can run the same, command. Basically, I just basically run the same command. So basically, if you have, for example, if you just enter in the number and then a comma and then another number and then a comma, you can actually chain these commands together and it just copies it to the clipboard. Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. All you have to do is have what do you need to have installed? Xclip. That's it. And then you have LT, which is recent bash commands. So trying to see here. Okay, so say I wanted this one. There I am. I'm in my portfolio, whatever you call this. And then this one that I'm showing you is probably the one I'm going to show last. And sorry. So this is the one I'm going to show last. I've done this a few times if you couldn't tell. So now the next two are made with Facebook Path Picker. You have to have Facebook Path Picker for this to work. But I'm going to actually just shit can this window here. So the aliases are like say BI. And so now you come down here and I can basically open up three or four or five files at the same time and they spawn with equal width. So if I spawned like a fourth one, if I would have spawned four, then the width would have been less. And then I could spawn two or one or however many. I find this a very useful tool, to be honest. And then, of course, DM, which is kind of the same thing. I'm basically... And all you have to do is press F, right? And then if you hit A, you could select all of them. I don't want to select all of them. And so maybe something like that chooses two of them. You can switch between buffers really easily, that sort of thing. And of course, FT, which is the files. This one is probably the coolest one. I'm going to show you why. So it doesn't recognize the suffix because it doesn't end with sh or pi or anything like this. So it's going to ask me, what do I want to open this with? So I say NeoVim. There you are. Pretty freaking cool, if you ask me. Now, here's where it's special because there are certain suffixes that work, so like if it was like PDF, it would open in Sathura. If it was MP3 or MP4, it would open in what is it called, MPV, and then like .py, .sh, .go, it opens it up in NeoVim. So pretty cool stuff, and I plan to add to that in the future. I just wanted to get something down, so let's try it out. Let's go to my PDF file, and let's go to programming, and let's come into Python. And so this has a couple of functions that are really interesting. So I can scroll up using Control K and Control J, which is really cool. So now all I do is scroll the one that I want. There you are. It opens it with Zathura. I think this is really cool. And then, of course, if, like, say I wanted something that started with C or something like this, I can narrow down the search a little bit, like if I'm looking for something particular. So like I might be able to do something like how to think Python, whatever it is. I can't even remember now these days. But there you are, How to Think Like a Computer Scientist. One of the best books ever written, as far as I'm concerned, about programming. So there that is. And then of course, let me get back to where I was at. All right, and now this next one is really, really interesting. So so I just basically enter in a word. So let's just enter in the word Tmux. There I am. It tells me, takes the top 15 of the most frequent commands that involve the word tmux from my bash history, tells me how many times that they have occurred, and then I can choose whichever one that I want. So say I want number 6. I'm not going to spawn a tmux inside a tmux. It doesn't make any sense, but that's how it would work basically. And then, of course, the last one is the one that I've been doing this whole time, which is PD, the past directory. So I'd basically just have like a set of files that I have linked. So say I wanted to get to my portfolio, that's in my documents file. So I come right into here, and then there you go, and I'm there. And that's pretty much my file navigation. I think this is a really, really good toolkit to navigate around, to get past, commands from my history, my bash history, and things like that. So I think this is really, useful. And so, that's pretty much what I have right now. So I'm just gonna be working at this. I am going to have this out probably tomorrow in my GitHub or GitLab or both. Probably both. And there's that. Okay. So anyway, what does everyone think of my pithy project? Leave me a comment in the section below. And anyway, okay. So that's pretty much it. And I almost forgot to show you other cool thing that I did. I can do all of these with a pop-up window in Tmux. So for example, say I wanted to do something with maybe say my whoops like here on my, so maybe I just wanted to, copy this right here, and then I could do this. So if I needed something really quickly, I could definitely open this up. And I'll probably make that a little bit bigger. I don't know yet. But anyway, that's what I have so far. I think have quite the navigation. So anyway, what does everybody think? Leave me a comment in the section below. The only thing that's left is to make my pop-up window like this have like cheat sheets in it. And then I just scroll up and down to the one that I want. That's going to be probably next. But other than that, I think it's pretty freaking cool. There's somebody who's keeps like coming in and out. Like, make up your damn mind, buddy. All right, let's see who's how many people in here. I don't expect a lot of people, but I expect a few. And man, I'm about ready to stop streaming on Twitch. I just gotta like get something going here. So basically, okay, and this is pretty much it right now. So anyway, what do you all think of my pithy uh configuration? Leave me a comment in the section below. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so let's see here. All right, so now I gotta get kind of busy here and actually do some real work. So, Tmux. Let's. What? There we go. There we go. All right. I don't my next part of this is I'm gonna I used to manage my Tmux sessions a little differently, but I'm looking at Tmuxifier. I don't know how to use it yet, so I'm probably going to be learning how to use that very soon. So let's get some work done. I gotta use my handy Njord. All right. So some of this, I think I already did that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm almost done with that. I'll probably do that off camera. Just because that's gonna take a minute. I might do that one. That one. I might actually just go ahead and do that. And then all I would have to do, I have a video on this already done. I got two of them, in fact. And I actually put one on X. I'm really surprised that nobody has said anything, because I know that if people like get it, like they're going to really like what I have set up. So anyway, let's see here. I'm not sure yet. Probably. Probably not. What am I currently reading? Mein Kampf. No. Would never read that. I would use it for toilet paper. Okay. Yes. Okay. You deploy on AWS. You're not. What in the... are you kidding me? Yeah, see this. This is about fucking stupid. If you deploy on AWS, you're not a real dev. That is about the dumbest fucking thing I've ever heard in my life. Good God. You know, the fact is AWS is probably the biggest cloud service. And, you know, that deploys the website. That causes a website to be deployed a lot faster than like you have like a server inside your house. I don't really see an alternative. I mean, in my opinion. And so maybe I should maybe I should get a shareable link, right? Um I could just do it this way, I guess. Yeah. So, I'm live. Mm. All right. We are going live. So I'm basically just telling everybody that. All right. Let's see if I can get, ooh, I saw a couple of people. Mm, I don't want to. Let's come over here. All right. I actually don't think I'll post on Instagram. I haven't. All right. Nice little looper. All right. Going through the. Nothing like I like it though. I do like it. Ooh. That brings me so many memories. You have no idea. Yeah, okay. Wow. What the? Interesting. That's interesting. And so, anyway, I shared my stream with a few other people. Who's gonna come visit me? Damn it. All right. So, let's see here. I said that I was going to work on the let's do that. Let's work on the installation script. So, um, I want to see something. I don't. I used to know how to do this. So, let's go to. No. Like. Um, hmm. I think this would do it. Yes. So let's see what we can do here. Mm, using my okay, so now we are going to touch H. Right. Pseudo company user share. Now user local bin. And there we are. This should be able to. No, it doesn't. Okay. So hold on. Okay. Actually, it would be. That's just what I thought. It'd be everything except. Right now. I don't even know if our sync is. What is now? Okay, so All right. I actually do not like. Oh, damn, man, really? Okay. Okay, so I actually don't like that solution. I do not source. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. CD source directory, I'm in there, so let's just go ahead. Mm, mm. All right. Yeah. Much better. I think this is gonna work. I'm not really caring about that's a really interesting use of Xargs. I've actually seen this a couple of times. Alright. So now very good. So now I could do installation because it's a sudo, so and there we go. Sudo service. So now if you said that, there it is. So that does that automatically. Very good. All right, so we have an installation script written. Wait, what am I doing? So, very good. Oh, okay. Bash installation script. All right. I always do one other thing, which is so basically if I come over here, I'm going to put readme readme.md.
Voy a ir a llevarle a Susana el dinero
Okay. Brando.
para Brandon y para ir para que paguen. ¿Estás?
Okay.
Entonces, para que 20 pesos.
Wait, what am I doing? No. So I don't need to make that executable. Okay. So I always start with I have no problem whatsoever. I have no problem whatsoever with using like ChatGPT or something to write my README because it usually comes out a little bit better. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do here is have. So I'm already thinking ahead here. Sorry. navigation. And actually, I can probably do that too. And so let's do that. Actually, copy those out. I don't know if that'll make a difference. Oh, it'll go all the way across anyway. It doesn't matter. Okay. No my bash. Okay. So basically, I'm just basically writing a quick read me whatever you want to call this. And so now collection of scripts and blah 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 blah. Okay, looks good. Features. Yes. All right. Git clone. Okay, I don't have. All right. I don't have git clone yet, but I will push this up and I will have this. So, so now. All right. Mm-hmm. Right. I hear when I do that. Yes. GPL license. Yeah. Um, you could do it that way, but I prefer no. And actually, you would make those executable. Ah. Uh, this is the only annoying part that I. Mm-hmm. I need to get me like a snippet or something for um and there we are. Um I just heard a message, so I think. Hello. How are you? I'm sorry. I'm just plugging away. Sorry for the late response. Okay. And there we go. So I'm gonna have some screenshots and GIFs and stuff very soon. That'll probably be later today. So now, there's the README for that. I'm gonna have READMEs for everything else here momentarily, but I think that will work. So I'll push this. Yeah, why don't I just do that? And I'm thinking here. So let's trying to think how I want to do this. Um, okay, so now installation scripts. Um, I definitely want a batch installation script for all of the all of my personal repos. I should just make this a okay. Oh man. Wait. And and what else? Let's see here. We'll push that. Da, 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 da. All my repos. Then let's see here. Then we're going to provide finish readmes for other scripts in repo. And then so basically what I'm going to do is I have a lot of other scripts that I use in this repo. Like for example, you'll see like if you look up here, you'll see like the like my SL status, I use repos there. I use repos, my own repos for like a lot of different things. So I probably have maybe 20 or 25 scripts written. They're my personal repos that I have on my system. I use them all the time. And so I'll probably write a README for it and then just kind of how to use it. And I'm also kind of considering the possibility that I could possibly put like all of my, I could basically make repos out of, um, I can make repos out of my D menu scripts and maybe go from there. And then what else? I can push those to GitHub and then I'll have something there. All right. So anyway, without further ado, I think that should keep me busy for about another hour or so. I'm gonna take a quick break. The edge case. All right. All right. Yeah. Let's do that. I'm gonna take a quick 2-minute break. I just need to use the restroom real quick. I drank a lot of coffee this morning, so I'm sure you understand. And if not, I'm sorry. I'll be right back. I guess I lied. It was 2.5 minutes. I apologize. All right. So, doing good. We got one installation script. Yeah. And so we're going to do the same thing here. So, all right. Okay. How is everyone in the stream? Leave me a comment if you're still with me. And if you're not, well, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you're. All right. So, I expected like a little bit more, but you can see that I'm working on things. Kevin, Kevel Mangrolia, how are you? Hi. All right. So, so I think actually this is going to be really quick, like, um, um, and I said I would do that and that. Okay. Okay. So now, right now that's good. So, let's go back to navigation. In installation.sh. Okay, bar src bar. Okay, so now all right. Oh, I probably should show my screen, huh? How rude of me. Okay, there we go. All right. So now we're right over here. And actually, I could have just copied the whole thing. I don't. Sometimes. Sometimes. Perfect. Whoa. I'll have to fix that too. Do I have a cheat sheet yet? I don't have cheat sheets. That's coming up next. Let's pop. I could move those somewhere maybe. I needed that on a different one. So anyway, a different configuration. So let's see here. I don't. Okay, so cd nis c. So now what I could do is just go ph. Oh, it's going to be way up here, huh? Okay, copy, right. Okay, so maybe not. So what? LT. Let's try that. Okay. Wow, this is still. Huh. All right. All right, that's right. Okay, so if I said that again, trying to see where. Oh my god. All right, all right. Sometimes. Okay. So we're going to just touch. We could spell installation, right? So all right. Okay, so now let's do it this way. It's actually kind of, it should be named move. So let's do that. I don't like that. So move Sage. That's essentially what I'm doing, is moving it over there. Or exec.h. Just making the installations right. And then sometimes going up just a couple definitely is pretty beneficial, I think. You know, I think you have to use like all your tools together, right? When it makes sense. And so very good. And so now we're gonna go install H. H. So next is all this H being installed this H. This is actually probably the easiest part of this. Okay, so now you're going to bin dash bin var scr var exact.sh. Sleep 2 bin dash bin mm, bin mhm. And I think that should do it. I could probably put this in a for loop or something, but I don't really see the point in this. So, okay, that should work. I don't see why that wouldn't work. Just run the install script. It should push all of that over to there. And then you would just have to source it after. Would I just close and reopen the terminal? Okay. All right. And so um so the scripts are done. They should work. Now we need to do okay. The readme's pretty much done. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is just use ChatGPT real quick, because honestly, that is the easiest way to do this. It saves me so much time. It's not even really close. So, very good. Okay. Alrighty. So now let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right. Let's go to new chat. Okay. I always forget. Okay, so let's go to the bar. Oh, hold on. I want to see something here. $sh. SCR. Okay, I got that right. What? SCR. CD bar. Bar. Oh, yeah. Um, um, Okay. Um, dang it. I do not get that. Oh, what am I doing? Jeez. That's what I meant to do. Okay, navigation. And I don't need that, do I? And you know what? I need to do it just like this. Right. Alrighty, so take a look at that. Oh, ooh. I always forget what computer I'm on. I don't need to clone. Ah, alrighty, just 1 second here. Yeah. Alrighty. Um, so I'm going to kind of change this up here. Good God. All right. Yep. I never thought of that. If you'll have to make all of those executable. All right, which I can do. I don't need to make that usage. Not really. Okay. Whoa. Wait, what? Oh boy. What is this? Oh, that's right. Probably should copy it. My right clicker doesn't work on my something or another. Yeah. All right. Um, and I think that's about it, right? Because the license, oh, contributing. Yeah, I'll just have all that at the bottom. So, um, all right. Actually, I like that even better. So, um, you know what? Yes. Let's do it this way. I like that so much better. Let's go in and yeah, I think because this actually gives me mhm. Okay, I'll take it. Me, me. Hmm. All right, there we go. Now we're not. All right, so All right. I don't actually have a repo yet, so and okay. Yeah. All right. And okay. Mm, mm, and we'll go what? That's illegal. I will fucking sue. It's illegal. You can't do that. That's mm, God damn it. You ever get those? I need to let it die. Okay. So now I don't need to do any of that. The only thing that I'm gonna have to do is just update. All right, who's with me? I'm trying to think. How do I want to set this up? So actually, I know exactly how I want to set this up. So I'm gonna just kind of continue and then put it right back into Chat GPT. I think actually that's probably the best way to do this because otherwise I'm gonna be here all freaking day. All right, and now I need to take a look at that real quick. You know what? No. I remember where's the chat. All right. that or that? Or I commented that. So it's all right. Up images. Um, Alrighty, that should be it. Um, this is annoying, but why am I doing it there? I must be sleepy today. Okay. Mm.
Con los dos.
Okay.
Porque están pidiendo bolsas de diálisis y yo fui por ellas.
Ay, cabrón.
No, me voy a llevar una mochila del Excel. Y me llevo 3 bolsas.
Ah, ok.
Entonces,
Me asustaste.
yo creo que de venida voy a llegar al pollo.
Ujú.
Pepe compró pollo y compró una papa asada y eso tragamos.
Está bien.
Y Rael ya ves que se iba a ir al centro con su novia y me imagino que de ahí a su casa.
Ujú.
Entonces, pues ahorita que vengamos. Que venga.
Sasquatch.
¿Sabes?
Yes, ma'am.
Entonces lo echamos.
Okay.
¿Qué hora son, chef?
104. Okay.
Oye, hay ropa afuera.
Yeah.
Hazme paro y levanta eso porque hay pantalones.
Okay.
Lavé muchos pantalones.
Muy bien, mi amor. Mm. All right. Okay. So here we are. Okay. So I know exactly what I'm gonna do here. All right, that looks a lot better. I gotcha. All right, so let's go and get rid of that. I like to have everything working really good. No. Okay. I'll have my thing. First. we go. Alrighty, that looks like that's gonna work. Alright, so mhm. Ah, um, okay.
Chile. No, güey.
Sí, no somos, digamos, una cosa.
No, güey, qué cagada.
Here we go. So, this is really easy stuff here, but nothing special for sure. This was And I think actually, no, that's good. Okay. Very good. I'll get the demo soon enough. Oh, snap. You'll agree. Alrighty. Boom. So, alrighty. And I think that will be it. So let's go to navigation. And no. Yeah. Or you could just say actually this is actually easier than that. We could do I think it would just be Come on. Plus X type F. I need to fix my navigation. I know I'm doing a little overlap here. So it definitely, what I'm doing is not part of the dry, don't repeat yourself, asshole kind of thing. That should work. And so now I think what I'll do is go ahead and just push this and we're going to be done. It's going to be a little early. Oh. Ah. God, help me. Oh, man. So, that is done, and it should work. All right. Well, I'm going to take a quick break because I am pissing myself. Be right back. I'm back. Let's. All right. All right. All right, I'm done with this. I got way too much on my mind right now. Oh. Mm. All right, so couple of things that I remembered. Let's just do it this way. Okay. Okay. Excellent. Yeah. Okay. So. mm, Yeah. Boom. Okay. Okay, this is what I was wanting. Mm. Mm. No, no. Okay. Did okay. Yeah. It was a while back. Okay. Mm. And so okay. Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. or pop-up tmux pop-up video. And actually, right, hold on. Wow, jeez, I am really just brilliant, aren't I? I guess nobody must be watching my stream because I'm sitting here just plugging away. Okay, so trying to think, is there anything else that I need? D menu. SL status D menu. Yes. So let's see here. Mm, just need some. All right, now we can now we can push this up to my repo and you guys can all like use it. Okay. I'll leave a description. I'll leave it in the description below. I actually needed to get this done. Mm-hmm. Wait, hold on. Scripts. Personal dash repos. Public. I'll add a README file later. And I'll create repository. Don't need it. Okay. So, all right. So let's see here. Minute. Actually, I should just do this. Actually, add everything, and get add. Okay, so it's going to be GitHub because I'm also gonna have this on get it github.com. And it sucks. Scripts.git. So probably the thing to do then would be to go ahead and get taken care of. Equally. All right, and so now we're doing really good here. All right, I'm actually getting some work done. It's a miracle. All right, close, and so now I'm just going to project that create a blank project. Let's use I'll say this one. No, actually, why don't I just use this one? Public. I don't read me. I have it. Okay, project. All right. Okay. So git remote add GitHub git app gitlab.com groups.git. Looks good. Oh, sorry. Might get. All right. And switch. Mm-hmm. Met and initial of repos. What am I doing? All right. Push. There we go. Now just gotta push this. Just gotta push this to GitHub very easily. And that one's gonna be git push GitHub main. And there we are. Now let's see what my README looks like. I'm really curious. I haven't seen it yet, so let's see what this looks like. Here is my. This looks pretty good, except. Oh, I see. Okay. So we gotta fix some things, but overall, something is off, and it must be missing the closing thing here. I'm thinking, so I'll fix that. Let's check. Oh, I guess probably you can't see that. So let's look at it on GitHub now. You'll be able to see it now. So I think that this one might. Oh, okay. So. All right. So this closed this whole thing. This is not what I wanted. This is what I want, though. So everything else is really good. And then we'll pull those out. Okay, very good. Okay, so a couple of hiccups. So we will definitely up. What? Oh my God. This is a verifiable nightmare. I know. Okay. All right. Oh, I hit that, right? Okay. Not too bad. Okay, enable preview. Okay. There we go. That was cool. Just logged in. Are you making some bash tools for building projects? Yes. Very good question. Yes. So I've already made them, but yes, I'll show them here in a minute. I'm actually just going to configure my my README, and then we'll. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay, so okay. Usually that does it. Yeah. All right. I don't know why that. Okay, I think I do know why. Let's see here. There's a couple of things. So it didn't like that. That should be good. Da, 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 da. I'm going to go ahead and now. And God damn it. I hate typing in all caps. Push. GitLab. Push. GitHub. All right. This should have fixed it. So let's see. We're gonna find out. This should fix it. God, why? That does not make any sense. Why? That makes absolutely no sense to me. Okay, let's try it one more time. Yeah. So be on the lookout for the video tonight, though. It is coming out. It's already on. Okay. Okay, let's see here. So we're going to see clone repository. And why don't we just do this? And why am I? I don't. Alright, let's try that. Okay. Alright, let's see if that fixed it. 'Cause I have to say, this just is. There we go. That looks so much better. Very good. I like. So, one other thing that's probably necessary is the Qt browser, wouldn't you say? That was the one thing I was thinking of. And PyCon. Alrighty. And here we are. It looks so much better. And it should just install very easily. I don't see any problems with it. It'll take about 10 seconds or so, but so that's what we need. We need Qt browser, so let's do that. Make Qt browser. And what else did we say? Oh, PyCom. PyCom is okay. So now we pick the README there. Now there's a couple things, so let's go down here. PyCom. And of course, Qt browser. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take a look. I can go ahead and show you what I'm doing here. So let's see here. PyCom. Anybody who has a tiling window manager already has this. And of course, I haven't used this in a while. And there we are. Ooh, that's not good. There we go. That should work. Probably should put it all in alphabetical order. So before we do that, let's do that. The menu, Facebook, put that last. DJ, right there, bam, just like that. And that's in alphabetical order. And there we are. I think we got it. All right, so get Alan update read me get push GitHub push GitHub. And there we are. So let's take a look and see what we got. Let's make sure everything's all on the up and up. And actually, I'm just going to. All right, this looks good. So now I need to get my repo. So get clone. All right. So I have a couple of them, right? So like this one right here. All right. So let's I give you all right. All right. And I give you choice because I actually, the only reason why I'm using this is because, all right, so I think this is good now. I'll go. Get push. That wasn't very good, was it? Okay. You guys didn't see the mess I just made. These autocomplete sometimes just tab and GP. Yeah. And there we are. I think we're good. So let's see here. Let's go back to New York next. This is definitely the perfect ADD type thing. Okay. So we did get those. Finish readme. Push those files. And actually I haven't done that. So I'm gonna push dot files right now. In a minute. So to automatically push place. And there we go. And I'll definitely do that as well. And I think we're good. Now the only other thing that need to do is do like gifts for projects. And then I just have to make the video thumbnails. Ah, all right. I don't think any of you want to watch me do that, but we could, I guess. I'll probably do that. I'll probably push my dot files. I want to think about this for a minute because I basically want to have dot files in both of my GitLab and GitHub. Have the same thing going on right here. And then and I'll probably add a wiki to this, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Hmm, not sure, but anyway, it looks good. Let's when I look at it, I haven't seen this yet. Everything should be updated. I like it so far. Yeah, right on. Hmm. So I got a couple of things here that I think are good. One of the things that I think is really outstanding is the fact that now I'm basically going to have um, so one of the things that is going to be pretty cool. Um, so anyway, I just had a brain fart. Okay, so I guess one of the things that's going to be pretty cool is just having my personal repos and stuff, and basically um I think what I'm probably going to do, I may be wrong here, but I'm probably just going to write like a playbook to install all of my configurations automatically, so that if I do need to reinstall an operating system or something, that I can get this up and running fairly quickly. And then the only thing that I need to do is um, get my SSH key, not the actual key, but the um, I can't remember whatever you call it, the one that you can share over online. I always forget what it's called. Anyway, put that on there, a few other things. I should be able to get this to where it's just set up. And that would be pretty cool, because then in that case, I mean, I could just get everything up and running. The other thing you could do is, if like your SSH keys, um, if your SSH keys were stored, like say GitHub, GitLab, whatever, you could share them. Well, you couldn't share them. I could have a Bash script or Python script or something, and have that. You could just, it basically be a prompt. You would enter in your keys. So you would just have to have GitLab or GitHub open, and you could share those keys. And then you could save that repo, and then that would install automatically every time. I think that's probably how I'm going to do it. So it will look for a key. If it doesn't find one, it will prompt the user. That's what I'll do. And then that's pretty much, yeah, that's probably what I'll do. So anyway, so I think we're pretty much at the end here. Who all is still with me? We want some comments here, man. Like, everybody has been snoring today. And I am a little lethargic today. I apologize. I didn't get as much sleep as I normally like to get. Um, yeah, that's a whole nother something something. So I'm going to, let's see here. Might do that. So I think today what I'm going to do is later on learn. So I used to have a way of organizing my TMUX sessions, and I I found this tool called Tmuxifier, which is pretty freaking awesome. But I have to learn how to use it because I've been trying to I I was using it the other day, but I was kind of struggling because it was just kind of bullshitting, right? Like I don't really understand anything about it. So anyway, and nobody has wow, okay. So there's that. Your thumbnails. I might I might make some thumbnails. I don't know. I might just do that. But yeah, let's just do a kind of a quick recap. All right, a little quick recap. So here we go. All right, all right. So you'll remember, um, so bash history bh, which is my alias. It's in my it's in my documentation. I basically wrote a pretty good documentation you should be able to get up and going. And this is a pretty good thing because you can pretty much let's see if I can string something together. So I'm looking for one particular. Oh, well, I already have one that's all strung together. Right here. So, oh, come on, man. Really? I swear. All right. Wait, that's kind of navigation. Yeah. That I don't want to do that again. I don't need to. I saw one. Oh God. Hmm. You could do something like this. And see, you see how it just concatenates everything together. So you can use several of these. So say you wanted to do um, um, you wanted to do say this is weird. I'm gonna have to update this script for sure. But say I wanted to go in here and then I could do something like this. Um, there's a lot of things to use with this, so like you can chain them together. I need to probably use some like a couple more arc commands to make this a little nicer, but I don't mind it. It's going to be useful once I start actually using my bash scripts. So anyway, um, let's see if I might be able to do one here. Maybe not. But anyway, then you have something like this one right here where you have like the last few of them. So, um, and the crazy thing about these is they change every time you use it, but it is what it is. So once I start actually doing some actual work in the terminal, this will actually work a lot better. And again, this is probably going to need some fine tuning, those two. The one that I like a lot is this one. Sorry, yeah, this is probably my favorite one so far. Oof. So say I wanted that one, and maybe I want to that one. They are pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Okay. D-menu scripts. I am like something like this. I really like this a lot. There you are there. And there's a few others, but if P and of course this one, which is probably my favorite so far. So if I said and there you go. Some pretty cool stuff. And so I need to fine tune a couple of my scripts, but I think that they're going to be something that I use quite a bit. So I'm really excited. Who's all in my chat, man? There's a couple of people I see. So anyway, that's pretty much where we're at here. As far as my tools are concerned, and then you'll see like updated versions of these tools very soon, I think. But I think it's a pretty good start. And then of course we have the readme and then the install scripts and stuff like that. There's other things that I'm working on for like the bar and different things. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty much what I kind of bargained for. This is what I've been working on for quite a bit, most of the weekend. So I think it's actually going to make Bash cool again. So maybe that will be my thumbnail. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But anyway, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think, man? Okay, so there's a few things that I'm trying to think of something here. Oh, I know how I'll do that. Yes, the void. Yeah, alright. So let me make a note of that. Your next. Alright. Um, I'm just trying to think. Create cheat sheets for everything that's next. And then access them with the pop-up window. Yeah. And I'm not sure how that's gonna work yet. I think the cheat sheets will probably just be my Nord files. So I'm still not really sure how that's gonna work, I guess. So that's kind of interesting. So I think I have some. I just need to uh, get my. I just need to get my key bindings. And then once I have my key bindings, I think I'm pretty golden. Oh, I forgot. I actually did something. I think I'm going to go on another bike ride here momentarily to get rid of this gut. Yeah. 2 bike rides, 2 days in a row, and then I think that will probably be about it. This is I gotta do that login. I don't know if I'll do it today, but I'll probably do it tomorrow. YouTube search. I'm going to try and do that really soon. That's an FZF type thing. And in fact, I think I probably already have it, if I'm not mistaken. And then I think I can use dmenu swallow, if I'm not mistaken, for that one. Anyway, lots of good stuff, man. Ah, alrighty. This is one of my next bike rides really soon. I just gotta get my legs back into shape. I'll lose about 10 pounds. I think I'll be pretty close to there. This is where pretty close to here where those buildings are in my wallpaper. I saw Canelo Alvarez, which is he's the super middleweight champion of the world. I saw him at a hospital actually it was about 3 weeks before he tested positive for clenbuterol. Yeah. So I'm thinking if that's gonna, man. So yeah, I should just create a Nord like something, right? Like for all of the cheat sheets, like I have for the index, have a key binding, pull it up. That would be cool. So let's do that. So I think that's what I'll do. That will go straight to it. I think that would be pretty easy to do too. Very easy. And so then I would just set it up. And so you would go straight to the cheat sheets, and then I would just scroll down to whichever one I wanted. Very good. This is good for documentation and stuff. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to be giving a full, probably next week, I'm going to give a full, whatever you call it, like a full demonstration of my system the way I have it set up. And then, because honestly, like I can give you a full demonstration in about 3 minutes, but I'd like to show everybody, some of the key features that I rely on when I'm writing code and that sort of thing. So, yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna leave for the day. Pretty much everybody's been snoozing on me, so I'll probably go out for a bike ride. That will be awesome. I need to get at least 3 bike rides in every day. Now it looks like some people are joining me once. Is anybody in the chat? I'll stick around for a few more minutes. It looks like people are finally coming in, and again, maybe I'll give a demonstration again a little bit later or something. So people needs to. Oh, okay. Well, what did I say I was going to do again? So anyway, looks really good. Um, hmm, and then there's a bunch of so yeah, I need to do all of those. Yeah, I need to get that. All right. And I'm pretty sure since I'm in Alacrity, um, let's see here. Oh, what? Oh, it's B. Like a pipe. And Alacrity yam. It's down to the bottom. I don't want that. There's no reason not. Oh, so I'm pretty sure it's just a regular V. Regular. Oh, so it does. Okay. Mm-hmm. I didn't realize. Okay. Must be some sort of something. No. All right. All right. So, got that done. That was really quick. Mm-hmm. I'll have to do it for others, but other terminals. It doesn't really affect me that much, though. And I think that's about it. So it looks like some people joined again and then went on their merry way or something. So I don't know. I don't know what people want, man. Jesus. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and go on my bicycle ride, and I'll be back tomorrow. So, everybody have a great day. Really enjoyed this, even though nobody showed up. And be on the lookout for my video tonight, probably. I'll probably have both. I'll have at least the demonstration up tonight, I think. And then I might put the actual regular video tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a regular day. I'm actually going to be working on some other shit that I've been needing to work on. So, yeah. And that's about it. So, um, anyway, have a great day, everyone. And keep plugging away. See you guys later.